Right. So last class, I think we started on update sets and we discussed on the theoretical details. So there are two methods basically: export XML and update sources. And the steps involved are retrieve, preview, and commit. Okay. Now, any update sets migration, right? So in order to understand them, you need to have two instances. Say for example, I have developed the code in the dev instance and I want to migrate to the test, right? So from dev to QA, we need to migrate. So in order to learn the update sets migration, you need to have two instances. One is source and other is the target instance. One is the source instance and other is the target instance. Getting it? So you need to raise a request for one more instance in order to do the update sets migration. So how do you migrate? These are the two methods. You can follow any method, and in any method, these are the steps: retrieve, preview, and commit. Okay. So let's see. So I've created the update set, right? Yesterday. So this is the current update set which we created yesterday. So for example, this is a story number, right? So for example, so what we'll do, we'll try to so we'll go to the catalog items. I think this is our item, right? So this is our item. So what I'll do, I'll try to capture this item in the update set. I will try to capture this update set item in the update set. So simply what you can do, you can make some changes to this. So add some full stop here. All right. Then save it. So now go to the update set. So what you can do, you can review this update set. So you have a option here called open record. Click on this. Right. So we open the update set record and you can see customer updates here. So this is where in the related list, you see the updates are captured here. Updates are captured. Getting it? So you need to understand the updates here. So what we did modification to the existing catalog item. So here the update says action as insert or update. So we made update to the existing item. So it's an insert or update. And to what type of update we made? Catalog item update. Which item? This is the item name. So type is nothing but type of the object that you are modifying. And what object we modified? This is the object. When did we update? Just now, 1 minute ago. So when was this update created? Just now, 1 minute ago. Getting it? So for example, if you want to capture the variables, so we captured the catalog item. So entire record is being captured here, right? Entire record is being captured here. Now, so variables. So you cannot capture the variables all together. You have to capture one by one. You have to capture one by one. So for example, I'll open the variable. I'll open the variable. So observe carefully here. So this is a variable. So I want to capture this variable into the update set, current update set. So what you can do, you can just make it active false, save. So we are making change to the variable. So now the variable should get captured in the update set. Refresh. See here, got captured. And this is the container. Insert or update. Next. So again, so we need to activate this and then recapture it in the update set. Okay. So it last captured was on 2043. Now refresh. Right. So 2043 37. So last captured was 05. Latest capture is on 37. That means this variable is now up to date, captured in the update set. Likewise, if you create new variable, that new variable will be captured in the update set. Now similarly, so second variable also captured and make it active true, save. So 2045 and this is 2044. So it got latest capture. Similarly, email. Right, got captured. Manager. got captured. So it is 30 seconds, but it is 43 seconds. So latest update got captured. Next, container end. So we captured catalog item and then variables. I'm not capturing all, just I would like to show you how the updates can be captured and how they can be migrated. Now, workflow. So we captured the item and we have some more related list here, say UI policies, but this is not related to the first 5 variables. So client script. So let's capture this as well. The updates it. Save. Catalog client script is also captured, right? Fresh. Next. Available for open this. So this is a user criteria. So groups. So this is a group. So you can activate, inactivate, capture. So user criteria is also captured here, right? The user criteria is captured, but so when you add the user criteria to this available for, so even this update should be captured. So what you can do, click on edit. Click on this, remove this user criteria, save, copy the name. So it is removed. Now add it again. It captured twice. So one is for deletion. So we deleted it, right? And other is for addition. So deletion is also captured and then addition is also captured. No problem. Next. So this category, think by default that will be captured here. So we captured the entire item, so that will be captured. So we need to capture the workflow as well. Go to this workflow. So check out the workflow because we need to capture the workflow as well. So I checked out, right? Next. Publish. So the workflow should get captured as well. Okay. Say okay. Published. So it is published now, right? So we are able to capture the catalog item and the workflow. So yesterday we discussed what all things can be captured in the update set, right? So I said catalog items will be captured and then workflows in published state will be captured. So now you can see the list like which all captured here. Getting it? So now, so we completed the capturing now. So now our code is ready. So everything is captured now. So consider, so we developed in dev instance. We created the update set and we captured all the updates into the update set. I captured the existing objects here, right? But when you create new objects, they also will be captured in the update set. When you create new variable, for example, if you create new variable here, so that will be automatically captured in the current update set. Getting it? So, so our update set is ready and completed in the dev instance. Now we want to migrate to the other instance, that is test or QA instance. So what are the steps that you generally follow? Steps. So steps. So first is change the state of the current update set to completed, right? So this is the current update set. Now change the status to completed. So once you think that all the update sets are already captured and it is ready for migration, change the status to complete and then save it. Everybody following? Any questions? Following, guys? Any questions so far? Right. So I completed. So first step is making sure that state of the update set is completed. Next, you can follow any of these two methods for migration. So first, let's talk about first method. Export to XML. So step 1. On the completed update set, there is a related link called export to XML. Okay, there is a related link called export to XML. Step 2. Click on the link and download the XML file of the update set. Okay, so there is a link here. So this is a completed update set. There's a link here called export to XML. Click on this. So it is downloaded. Now what you need to do? So save that file, save the downloaded XML, then log into the target ServiceNow instance. Okay, navigate to the update sets, retrieved update sets. Okay, navigate to the update sets and then retrieved update sets, and then scroll down and there is a related link called import update sets from XML. Click on the link and then upload the downloaded XML file. Click on the link and then upload the downloaded XML file. Click on the link and then upload the downloaded XML file. So there are few steps here, right? So what are these steps? Retrieve, preview and commit. So I said these are the steps involved in the migration. So same steps we are doing here. So retrieve means load the update set from source instance into the target instance. Okay, load the update sets from source instance to the target instance. Preview, so check for errors in the update set. Check for any errors in the update set. In the loaded update set, I can say. Check for any errors in the loaded update set. If yes, If any errors found, fix the errors. Okay. If no errors, proceed to commit. So all these steps happen in the target instance. Below steps to be done in the target instance. So all these three steps will be doing in the target instance, not in the source instance. Okay. No step will be done in the source. All these three steps will be done in the target instance. So commit. Commit is nothing but accept the changes or accept the updates from the update set. Accept the updates from the update set. Getting it? So retrieve, preview, and then commit. Retrieve is nothing but load. Load the update set from source into the target. So now you see here. So I have exported the XML file. I saved it in the downloads. Then I'm going to the target instance. So this is my target instance. So go to the target instance, right? So first step is type update sets in the target. Okay, update sets. And under this navigation, you see retrieved update sets. Click on this. So now these are all the retrieved update sets from the source. And you scroll all the way down. You have a link here called import update set from XML. Click on this. Upload XML. Getting it? Click on upload. See here. So this was our update set, right? From the source. And this got loaded. It's got loaded. State you can see loaded. When was this loaded? Just how come 7 minutes? So I can delete it. You can delete it. Reload again. Follow the same step. So on this retrieved update sets, import update set from XML. Click on this. Load it again. Just do sorting. This. So let it be. Maybe it's some date issue. So this got loaded. So from XML, so XML we loaded into the target. So you can see here, first step is retrieve. Retrieve means load the update set, completed update set. You can say completed update set from source instance into the target. So from source we have XML file. So we loaded that. So this is the first step. How did we load? We followed this first method, export XML method. In that we did the first step, that is retrieved update sets and then import update set from XML. and then uploaded the XML file. Getting it? So, so the update set is loaded to the retrieved update sets, right? So it is now loaded. So next step is open this update set. So this is loaded. Now you can see a button called preview here. Okay. So now you can see 11 updates, customer updates are loaded. So these are all the updates we captured, right? Catalog item, workflow, and then variables. So 11 customer updates. Make sure you do check with the source update set. So 11 updates, all are loaded as part of this update set. Second step is preview. Check for any errors in the loaded update set. Okay. So click on this preview update set. So now preview is happening and it is successfully completed. So preview step is completed and you're not seeing any errors here. Okay. You're not seeing any errors here. So, so if any errors, fix the errors. Okay. And if no errors, proceed to the commit. So there are no errors, right? Next, proceed to the commit. Commit is nothing but accept the updates from the update set. That means you want to commit the changes. So whatever the update set that we previewed, right? So if you want to commit it, if you want to accept the changes, then you can commit the update set. Okay. So click on commit update set. So update set is committing. So update set is committed. Right. So now you can see the loaded is now going to change to committed. That means these updates are now transferred into the target instance. Transferred into the target instance, and you can go and verify in the local update sets. Local means local update sets means local the updates which are local to this instance. Now this update set is has become local to this target instance. You can see here it is present in the local update sets. You can see. So it is in complete state and these are all the updates. Now we can verify whether these updates are present in the target instance or not. So go to maintain items. Maintain items. See here, this is our item, right? So we are able to migrate the catalog item from source to target. So this is our item and you can see the variables here. So this is the variables, right? We captured in the update set. Some problem, just a minute. Right. So this is what the catalog item got captured. These are the variables we captured. and this is the user criteria, and you can see the workflow as well. So this is the workflow. So now we can click on try it, you can check. So these are the variables we captured, right? So this is the item basically. You can see that client script is also working, right? Auto populating the manager and the user email address. So you can test the workflow as well. Click on order now and you can test the workflow. So this way basically you will migrate the update sets from one environment to other environment through the first method. Getting it? So what all we did, we loaded the update set and then click on preview update set button to check for any errors. If there are no errors, commit the update set. Okay, commit the update set. Verify the changes are migrated to the target instance. Everybody clear? Come on guys, respond. If you respond, then only I can understand whether you're understanding or not. If you keep silent, right, I won't be able to understand. You can ask me doubts, questions if you have, right? It's not that only I'm speaking always. You can also ask your doubts, questions, respond, right? So this is about the first method, right? Export XML. So for example, so this is my target instance, right? So this is my target instance. So due to some reason, right, after migration, I want to revert back the changes. I want to revert back the changes. So whatever the update set that I migrated, I want to back out or revert back the update set. So I can back out by using this backout option. So all the updates which are captured or which are committed through this update set, that should be removed basically. That should be removed. So you can click on backout, right? So what is backout? Backout process will remove all the updates from the update sets. Okay. So it will remove all the updates committed from the update set. So you are basically removing them. So proceed with backout. Click on this. So backing out the update set. So it is successfully backed out the update set. Now we can see that update set is no more present, right? So it got deleted. It got deleted. That means whenever somebody is asking you to revert back the changes, you have to back out the update set using backout button. Okay, it can be in any instance. So the backout button will come only in the completed state. Okay, so you need to go to the local update sets. you need to go to the local update sets, right? Local update sets, and then open any of the completed update set, and then click on back out. Getting it? So this way you can back out the update set, right? So that's about the first method. Second is update sources. Update sources. So what is this update sources? So using this method, we can establish connection between source and target, source and target for update sets migration. Okay, so the steps will be different here, right? So the same, the retrieve, preview, and commit, they remain same, but the steps will be different. The way we follow these steps will be different. So make sure your update set is in completed state. Your update set is in completed state. So this is our source. It's already in completed state, and log into the target instance. Okay, and then navigate to the update sets and then update sources. Okay, system update sets. So navigate to the system update sets and then update sources in the target instance. Go to update sources. So from the application navigator, type update sources. So under system update sets, update sources, click on this. So this is a list of the remote instances already created. So you can create new remote instance. So we'll understand what is this remote instance. Basically, open any existing entry from here. So name is nothing but the name of the remote instance. And so this, we are in the target instance, correct? So we want to establish connection with the source. So you have to give the source instance URL here. So unlock this, right? And then give the source instance URL here. So this is our source instance URL, and give the credentials here. Give the credentials. So credentials of admin role user. Credentials of admin role user. So this user should be having admin role in the source. Go to that user account. Check. See here, admin. So that means, so this user is having admin role basically. Now, so what type of environment was the source? So source environment was development environment. Getting it? If the source was test, so you can say test. If the source was production, say production, right? So now after you enter all these details, you can click on save so that entry is created. So basically when you create new remote instance, you'll see all these fields. So you have to fill all these fields with the details that I mentioned, and you can click on save so that this kind of entry gets created. After that, you can click on this test connection. Okay, so this should return connection is okay. So it is checking the connection between the target and the source. Using this button, the connection is checked between target and the source, and it is retrieving connection okay. Clear? So this is the remote instance creation. After that, so create the entry in the remote instances. Create the entry in the remote instances with below details. First is URL. URL is nothing but source instance URL. Username, password. So enter the admin role user login credentials. Okay, with all the details, create an entry. Next, so click on test connection to see if connection is okay. Right, so on this remote instance you have a button called retrieve completed update sets. Click on this. So name itself says retrieve completed update sets. Load all the completed update sets. Load all the completed update sets. Click on this. So now update sets are retrieving. So you can see here retrieving update sets from source instance, right? So this is our source instance. From source, all the completed update sets are getting retrieved. So it says 0 update sets retrieved because all the update sets are already present in the target instance. Close it. Okay. What is our update set name? I think it is so this one, right? So I think this is backed out, right? Maybe that's the reason it is not retrieved. So what we could do is we'll create one more other update set. Okay, merge with another update set. Right. I think this is not loaded. This is not retrieved. So you can see here all the update sets are retrieved here, but our update set did not retrieve. Do one thing. So ideally it should retrieve. Maybe because it is backed out, right? So that's the reason it did not retrieve. So we'll create one more update set. Okay, creating one more update set. Say version 2.0. Okay, version 2.0. Save and make current. Okay, so this is our 2.0 update. So what I'll do, I'll just go to the catalog item. I'll recapture this item. Okay, I'll recapture this item into the current update set. So I have recaptured it. So now I'll complete this. So now what I will do, update set 1 and update set 2, version 2. So these are the two update sets I have. So I can merge those two update sets to form a single update set. I can merge two update sets. So you can see here, merge update sets. Merging means you're just going to merge both the updates from both the instance. Merge the updates from both the instance. So you can say, so merged update set, give some name. So give some name, say version 3.0. Which all update sets you want to merge, you can search from here. These are the list. So you can apply the filter condition. Say state is completed and name is one of. Name is one of. So click on run. So these are the two update sets that we want to merge. So you can search in the filter and then you will see them here. So click on merge here. So are you sure you want to merge these two update sets? Okay. So likewise, you can search more than one update set. Maybe you can merge 3 update sets. Maybe you can merge 10 update sets together. So now version 3.0, now it has merge of all the updates. So total 11 updates, right? Same update catalog item we captured in version 2 as well. So that got merged. So total there are 11 updates. Next, complete this update set. Go to the target. So click on retrieve completed update sets in the remote instance. So retrieval is happening. Now you can see version 3 update set is retrieved and it is also previewed. Getting it? So there are few errors, right? There are few errors. So we'll have to fix those errors. Clear up till now, everybody? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. We'll see that in the next class. Thank you.